Hi everybody, this is Brian Kaprowski, your HEA 110 instructor again. I just wanted to go over this up and coming week's assignments and wanted to go over a couple of other items with you as well. First of all, let's go to our course here. And we could start by, let's look at the announcements. So yesterday I sent an announcement out to everybody in the class, and that announcement stated, just a reminder, that our Chapter 1 assignments are located in your course content tab. And remember, they're due tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. at night. Also, some of you are a little late on some of the assignments that are due in the Start Here tab, and I had sent out an email to each of you who have to complete those items. So please make sure that you're doing that. Those assignments are worth points. Okay, so I hope everybody received that. Please check your email on a regular basis because that's how I'll be communicating with you in this class. Remember the course resource tab here. Just if you have any questions about what's due and what's coming up, click on the syllabus here. I have it already opened up, and in the syllabus, scroll all the way down to our course schedule. And the course schedule, as you can see tomorrow, this is on August the 30th. This is what is due in class. You have to read your Chapter 1 and answer the questions that are contained within each chapter. And there is the written assignment as well. And remember, that's due again, at 11:59 p.m. This coming week, you will be reading Chapter 2. Okay, again, read the chapter, answer the questions in the chapter, and then take the quiz and the written assignment as well. And this week's assignments are going to be due on September the 6th at 11:59 p.m. Okay. And here again, and the assignments are located under the course content tab. Okay. So Chapter 1, remember tomorrow they're due, and then Chapter 2, they're going to be due, as I said, on September the 6th. Some of you have already completed the Chapter 1 assignments with the written portion of that. If I take off any significant points on any of the questions, I will provide a comment that will tell you the reason why I'm doing so. Please read those comments and make sure with the future assignments that are coming up that you're making the adjustments and you're listening to my corrections and you're making a note of that, and then you're applying that to the next assignment. And as always, if you have any questions about the course or have any problems navigating the site, please reach out to me via email and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a great